Every year, India produces 15 lakh engineering graduates, 20 to 30% of them do not find jobs, and many other work on designation well below their technical qualifications. Yet, more are compelled to take up jobs which having nothing to do with their education or engineering. There is also pressure on engineering graduates to not to sit idle. A study in 2020 found that there is a large number of mismatch in the aspirations of graduating engineers and their job readiness. 97% engineers aspire for a job in IT and core engineering. However, only 18.43% are employable in IT and 7.49% in core engineering. The structure of the job market has changed in recent years, with technology having slipped into almost every nook and cranny in our daily lives. With the Make in India initiative came the rise of startups, and students started to become more inclined towards starting something of their own and becoming entrepreneurs. Today, I would like to tell you all the story of young, dynamic, and talented entrepreneur Ramchandra Dashrath Khandekar, Director and CEO of Attaquent Enterprises Private Limited. This is a success story of a young man who succeeded by learning from a very unfavorable and difficult situation without any educational heritage. Ramchandra Khandekar was born in 1992 to a very poor family in Hingni, a drought-affected small village in Satara district of Maharashtra. His father was shepherd and mother was housewife. When Ram was 1 month old, his uncle took his mentally ill mother to his home and his father remarried and left the village. After that, Ram was taken care by his grandmother. His grandmother was weaving blankets and there was little income in it. Ram's world was his grandmother, and Ram was the only reason to live for his grandmother. Ram's grandmother's big dream was Ram should learn a lot and become a big officer. Ramchandra was very smart and intelligent in education from his childhood. He was very fond of education and he started helping his uncle and grandmother in farming from an early age to help the family financially. Ramchandra took his primary education from Zedpur school and his village and secondary education from New English School, Dhokmoda. His school was 16 kilometers away from his village and he cycled 16 kilometers daily. Ram was very fond of education and mathematics was his favorite subject. In SSC, Ramchandra came first in Devpur Center with 88.92 percentage and received Shahu scholarship of rupees 5,000 and was felicitated by the villagers. Ramchandra completed his HSC from Yashwantrao Chauhan College, Satara. He scored 88.33 marks in class 12 and scored 100 out of 100 marks in mathematics. Ram was felicitated by the villagers and by his teachers. The success of Ram's story of Ram was in every local newspaper at that time. Then he completed his B.Tech in Chemical Engineering from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Loneri. In engineering, he used to study hard and dream of becoming an IAS and he started preparing for UPSC. Ram was also the topper of his class in engineering. Ram got 90% in his engineering but he didn't get the job as companies did not came for the placement in the campus. Due to poor financial condition, he has to do some job. So Ram got a job of a teacher in private school and started teaching mathematics to the students. Ram was excellent teacher. The student loved to sit in Ram's lecture and all the concepts of the students were clear in his class. Ram was working hard to educate the students but he was getting very low salary in return. So he requested the school administration to increase the salary but his demand was denied. Ram was very upset about this. He just wanted to be rewarded for his hard work and at the same time Ram got an interview call from Technoforce Solutions Private Limited, Nashik. Ram came in only white shirt and black pant for an interview. He had sandals on his feet because he did not have money to buy new shoes and clothes. Everyone who came for the interview was wearing cool suit, boots and ties, etc. And Ram's clothes were not even ironed, but still Ram was selected out of 50 people only on the strength of his knowledge and his determination. Ram worked in Technoforce for 3 years and various positions like process engineer, project engineer and pilot plant head. Ram used to work 14 to 15 hours a day. He learned everything in a very short time period and acquired all the knowledge. If there was any problem in the company, everyone would call Ram and Ram would give them the solution of their problems. Ram was also the favorite of the director of the company. In important decisions, the director always consulted with the Ram. As Ram was very hardworking and smart young man, so he was getting many new job opportunities and he got good opportunity in the form of Harman Phenochem Limited, Aurangabad. He accepted that opportunity with both hands and worked there successfully for 1 year as executive process engineer. Now, Ram had complete knowledge of new plant setup and manufacturing. He just want an opportunity to apply the same knowledge and he get that opportunity in the form of YCS Technologies Private Limited, Pune, a small scale industry where he can apply his technical knowledge and skills on the ground. He accepted that opportunity and designated as Assistant Manager Application and Development. He was looking process development and new innovation technologies. Ram was working hard with his skills and knowledge. Ram took this company to the next level of heights. Company was growing so rapidly because of Ram company got new projects worth rupees crores. He realized that the company was paying very little in return, hardly 2 to 3% of profit. Then Ram thought if company is benefiting so much because of him, then why don't he start his own business from that? The idea of startup came in his mind and he started planning for startups, but this was the biggest risk in Ram's life as he was married and well settled. At that time, company was paying good money to Ram and he was going to leave the company at the start from the scratch. In that decision, his wife and friends supported him. Ram started his startup with the help of his 4 friends in Pune on 16th of September 2020 and gave name to his startup as Attaquant Enterprises Private Limited. Ram worked hard day and night and he succeeded in his first attempt. He got his first project of rupees 80 lakh and his success journey started with one project after another. When the business of another company shut down due to COVID-19, Ram did a business of 2 crore rupees within 6 months. Attaquant done business of around 4 crores and his aim to achieve 15 crore turnover. In his venture, Ram is giving opportunity to fresh engineers in the form of paid apprenticeships and guide them for their bright future. Also, Ram is helping some poor student in his village financially because if Ram had good guidance and financial backup from childhood, he would have become IAS officer. He wants what happened to him not to happen to anyone else. To complete his social free online coaching classes on YouTube called Vencitor Edu Technologies, and he will do many things in future and he will keep challenging himself throughout his whole life.
Hello friends, myself Ram Khandekar. Some people ask about success. What is mean by success? So there is a definition of success is different to different persons. Okay. So as per my thinking, success is not a money. Success is not a fame. Success is a satisfaction achieved throughout the process of achieving the target, achieving the vision, and some satisfaction we are getting from that process is called success. And struggle is the best motivation for success actually, because when we are at the top of success, if we remind our background situation before 10 years, before 15 years, that you get very proud कि I am doing something different from my friends, from my family, from my situation, and to overcome that situation by that process and the satisfaction achieved through that process is called a success actually. So I will give a simple message to my young entrepreneurs, those who want to become entrepreneur, this competitive world actually. That's why I will suggest 3 to 4 sentences or 3 to 4 statements for them. First will be try to achieve or try to do differently from others. Second will be try to come out from the comfort zone, or you can say what you have to do. And third will be do efforts, means without time counting actually, for 3 to 4 years, 5 years in your field, in which field you want to become a successful person. And fourth will be try to make a different as compared to others in that field actually, to achieve the success or achieve the top of that field. That's why I will say some phrases to them कि hard work beat talent when talent doesn't work hard. Thank you.